The secret of how to mine cryptocurrency from home. You can earn real money by using your computer to create digital coins. How cool is that? But before we get into that, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So, what is cryptocurrency mining and why should you care? Well, cryptocurrency mining is the process by which new cryptocurrency tokens or coins are created. It's like a digital gold rush, where you can find treasure by solving puzzles on your computer. But it's not just about making money. Mining is also essential for the security and decentralization of the network, as it prevents anyone from cheating or creating fake coins. So, by mining, you're not only earning crypto, but also supporting the future of money. But how do you mine cryptocurrency from home? Well, it's not as hard as you might think, but it does require some preparation and investment. To start mining, you'll need three things: a wallet, a mining software, and a mining hardware. A wallet is where you store your crypto and manage your transactions. A mining software is what connects your hardware to the network and allows you to mine. A mining hardware is what actually does the work of solving the puzzles and generating the coins. Sounds simple, right? Well, not so fast. There are many types of wallets, software, and hardware, and each one has its own pros and cons. You'll need to choose the best ones for your needs and budget. Don't worry, I'll help you with that. First, let's talk about the wallet. There are many types of wallets, but the most secure and convenient ones are the hardware wallets, such as Ledger Nano X or Trezor Model T. These are physical devices that store your private keys offline and protect them from hackers. They're like a safe for your crypto. To use them, you'll need to connect them to your computer and install their software. Then, you'll need to create a new account and write down your recovery phrase, which is a set of words that can restore your wallet in case you lose your device. Next, you'll need to choose a cryptocurrency that you want to mine and get its address from your wallet. This is a unique string of letters and numbers that identifies your account on the network. You'll need this address later when you join a mining pool. Next, let's talk about the mining software. There are many options available, but the most popular and easy-to-use ones are MinerGate and CCG Mining. These are platforms that allow you to mine multiple cryptocurrencies with just a few clicks. All you need to do is download their software, create an account, and select the cryptocurrency in the mining pool that you want to join. A mining pool is a group of miners that share their computing power and split the rewards. Joining a pool increases your chances of finding a block and earning crypto, but also reduces your payout. To join a pool, you'll need to enter your wallet address and the server coordinates, which you can find on the pool's website. Once you've done that, you can start mining by clicking the Start button. Finally, let's talk about the mining hardware. This is the most important and expensive part of mining, as it determines how fast and efficient you can mine. There are three main types of hardware: CPU, GPU, and ASIC. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, and it's the brain of your computer. GPU stands for Graphics Processing Unit, and it's the part of your computer that handles graphics and gaming. ASIC stands for Application-Specific Integrated Circuit, and it's a specialized device that is designed for a specific purpose, such as mining. Each type of hardware has its own advantages and disadvantages, depending on the cryptocurrency you want to mine. For example, Bitcoin is best mined with ASICs, as they are much faster and more powerful than CPUs or GPUs. However, ASICs are also very expensive and consume a lot of electricity. On the other hand, Ethereum is best mined with GPUs, as they are more flexible and adaptable than ASICs. However, GPUs are also more costly and noisy than CPUs. CPUs are the cheapest and easiest to use, but they are also the slowest and least profitable. To choose the best hardware for your needs, you'll need to consider factors such as the mining difficulty, the hash rate, the power consumption, and the price of the hardware and the electricity. Once you've set up your mining rig, you'll want to make sure that you're getting the most out of it. Here are some tips and tricks that can help you improve your mining performance and profitability. First, you'll want to monitor and adjust your settings regularly. You can use tools such as MSI Afterburner or Claymore Miner to tweak your fan speed, voltage, and clock speed. These can affect your temperature, power consumption, and hash rate. You'll want to find the optimal balance between these factors, as overheating, overloading, or underperforming can damage your hardware or reduce your earnings. Second, you'll want to secure your cryptocurrency and keep it safe. You can do this by transferring your coins from your mining pool to your wallet regularly, and by using a strong password and a two-factor authentication for both your pool and your wallet accounts. You'll also want to back up your wallet and your recovery phrase, and store them in a safe place. Third, you'll want to calculate your profitability and track your expenses. You can use tools such as What to Mine or CryptoCompare to estimate how much you can earn from mining a certain cryptocurrency, based on your hardware, electricity cost, and pool fees. You'll also want to keep track of your income and expenses, such as the price of the hardware, the electricity bills, the maintenance fees, and the taxes. You'll want to make sure that your revenue exceeds your costs, and that you're making a profit from mining. So, that's how you mine cryptocurrency from home. As you can see, it's not as hard as it sounds, but it does require some research, planning, and investment. Mining cryptocurrency can be a fun and rewarding hobby, as well as a potential source of income. However, it's also a risky and volatile activity, as the price of the cryptocurrency, the mining difficulty, and the competition can change rapidly. Therefore, you should always do your own due diligence and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Also, let me know in the comments below what cryptocurrency you're mining or planning to mine, and what hardware and software you're using. I'd love to hear from you and learn from your experience. Thanks for watching, and happy mining!